Did you know that looking after a nice garden can actually make you feel less stressed? I'm John, and today we are not just putting together garden projects, we are growing a sense of calm. Join me as we explore some easy yet impactful garden woodworking projects, turning your outdoor space into a personal stress-free zone. These projects are designed to be accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and let the drilling adventure begin with the drilling nerd. Garden woodworking projects. Project number 1. Let's begin with the garden wooden stand. This versatile piece can serve multiple purposes in your garden. To start, get wooden planks, screws, a saw and a drill. Use the plan to mark and cut the planks to size. Arrange and screw the planks together using a drill. Double check connections and your garden wooden stand is ready. Project number 2. Next up is the wooden gazebo, a charming addition to any garden. For this project, you'll need wooden posts, beams, screws and a hammer. Mark where your gazebo will stand and secure the posts. Attach beams and cross pieces for a stable frame. Add the roof structure and your charming wooden gazebo is complete. Project number 3. Moving on to the wooden planter box, a perfect project for showcasing your favorite plants. Grab some wooden boards, nails, a saw and a drill. Cut boards and assemble the planter box with nails. Drill holes in the bottom for water drainage. Fill with soil, plant your favorite flowers, and enjoy your wooden planter box. Project number 4. Finally, let's explore the garden wooden fence, a practical and aesthetically pleasing way to define your garden boundaries. Gather wooden panels, posts, screws, and a level are needed. Mark the fence line and secure posts accordingly. Attach panels to posts, ensuring they are level. Double check alignment and your garden wooden fence is complete. You have mastered these projects. Now, here's a challenge for you. Share your creations on social media with #DrillingNerd. We'll feature the most creative ones in our next video. Keep innovating and let the creativity flow. Drop your feedback in the comments below and let us know what projects you'd like to see in the future. Your input shapes our content.